Hi, in this video we're going to talk about some of the key features of the Kubra KB-5300 5-in-1 multifunction grooming kit. This grooming kit comes with a runtime of 90 minutes and a charge time of 1.5 hours. It has 19 length settings from 0 to 10, from 1 to 10 actually, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 etc. till 10, that's 19. It comes with multiple attachments for the body, beard and moustache. So this is basically your body trimmer and this is for shaping your beard. And not just that, there are also extra attachments, extra heads, like along with your standard stainless steel trimmer, you also get a nose hair trimmer and a precision trimmer. Finally, this particular grooming kit comes with stainless steel blades with rounded edges that provide a comfortable grooming. And that's it. Those are some of the key features of the Kubra KB-5300 5-in-1 multifunction grooming kit. Thank you for watching.